Your to-do list grows as the day goes on, taking over your life, and you never actually really get to the end of it. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, sales copywriter and copywriting coach. I run a multi-six-figure business and I have coaching programs and consulting clients. So how do I keep my to-do list from becoming the boss of me? Here's 3 tips. Definitely a work in progress on this one, so just know I'm doing this right alongside with you. Number 1, stop putting a weekly to-do as a daily to-do. I think a lot of times we're guilty of putting these big, huge tasks as something we want to get done all in one day when it's not possible. Chunk it down, put them on your to-do list day by day so that you're accomplishing something towards the end goal by the end of the week. And pick your priorities. Choose no more than 3 things that by the end of the day, if you get those 3 things done, you'll sleep happy. And number 3, try the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer, choose one task, focus only on that task until the timer runs out, take a short break, and start again. It can really help you keep focused and get more done. Follow me for more tips for freelance copywriting mamas.